أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Thomas Cup is associated with which game? The correct answer, badminton. Thomas Cup is associated with the badminton. The currency of Qatar is real. The currency of Qatar is real. Which element is narrowest liquid range? Neon. Among the following elements, neon is the narrowest liquid range, and its atomic weight is 20, its atomic number is 10, and its symbol is Ne, and its electronic configuration 2s2 2p6. Which of the following non-metal is used in manufacturing of matchstick? Phosphorus. Basically, phosphorus is used in manufacturing of matchstick, which is non-metal. Which among the following metals is the hardest metal? The correct answer, tungsten. Symbol is W and its atomic weight is 183 and is mostly used in the filament of a electric bulb. Which of the following element is used for vulcanized rubber? The correct answer is sulfur. Sulfur is used for the vulcanized rubber. Vulcanized rubber is a process that changes synthetic natural rubber into cross-linked polymers and which is used for rubber industry such as tires manufacturing. Who was the first Chief Minister of Sindh in Pakistan after independence? And the famous question, Baksh Somaro was the first Chief Minister of Sindh after independence. Sher Bengal was the title of Maulvi Fazl Haq was the title Sher Bengal which was given by the after Qaradat Pakistan and which is presented by Maulvi Fazl Haq. Cripps mission came to India in 1942. Cripps mission met with the Indian peoples in 1942. Paraffin is byproduct of which of the following industry? Correct answer, petroleum refining. Paraffin wax is the byproduct of the petroleum refining. It is only metal in liquid state at room temperature and pressure. Mercury. Mercury is a liquid at room temperature and pressure, and mostly it is used in a thermometer. The process of change from liquid to gas is called a process in which liquid changes into vapors or a gas. It is called vaporization. The following is an ore of aluminium. The famous ore of aluminium is cryolite and it is shown as such a stone. The party which came into power in 1933 is known as Nazi. Hitler party is Nazi party. Kyoto Protocol was an international treaty which talks about pollution. Kyoto Protocol basically discuss the pollution and an international treaty. Kyoto city is in which country? Japan. Kyoto is a city of Japan. Which one of the following countries made exit from Kyoto Protocol? Canada. Basically, Canada exit from Kyoto Protocol. The chemical name of common salt is sodium chloride. Chloride is a common salt which is called common salt or sodium chloride NaCl. Who was Muhammad Ali Bogra? Of Pakistan. Muhammad Ali Bogra was a Prime Minister of Pakistan. Resolution passed at All India Muslim League in Delhi session in 1929 is commonly known as 2014 point was presented in Delhi session in 1929. Which among the following gases is also known as laughing gas? Hydrogen oxide is called laughing gas. NO2 is a laughing gas, nitrogen oxide. Which of the following is used as coolant in atomic reactor? Basically D2O, deuterium heavy water is used as coolant in atomic reactor. Methane is colorless, and non-toxic gas. And what is common name is also known as gas. Reuters is the news agency of UK. Reuters is the famous news agency of UK. The Suez Canal is in The Suez Canal is located in Egypt.